ANCA completed 50 years last year, and from 1992, ANCA Europe is there, and now I am at their facility, which is there in Weinheim, Germany. As you know that ANCA is one of the favorite brand for the cutting tool manufacturers, and they have wide range of solutions. Today, we are going to talk about one of their fast-moving machine, the FX series, the FX Micro series, along with EMS Connect.
Today, we are introducing EMS Connect in our FX7 Ultra machine. First step will be to create our tool program. For that, we will use our RN35 new release software. After that, we will move to our shop floor to create the recipe of our tool inside EMS system. Continuing to that step, we will go to the machine to create the first tool, and finally we will move to the solar to look how AutoComp measures and compensate the tool. So in EMS Connect, we are facing directly the three main challenges that our customers have: the job orders, how to visualize them, and which are the work instructions that they have to fulfill. Here we will show you how we solve these three main aspects. First of all, we have an easy way to create our new job orders that must be done in the production facility. Once we create the order, we have an easy way to see and browse through the job orders that have been done. An overview of those job orders and what we are going to do inside those job orders. And finally, some simple work instructions that must be fulfilled by our operators. Before, we need to carry our tools, put them in the pallet, look to the program, adjust a little bit the program, and run the production. Now, all this information will come directly from our working stations where we set up all our recipes for EMS Connect. So our third step inside EMS Connect today will be the solar measurement. Together with Solar and AutoComp software, we are able to measure, compensate, and produce good tools in our long batches, having the assurance that 100% of the tools will be inside tolerance.